animals are animals that live in the ocean and spend their lives in salt water. Shark. Shark. A powerful ocean fish with sharp teeth that swims very fast. Octopus. Octopus. A very smart sea animal with 8 arms that can squirt ink to escape. Jellyfish. Jellyfish. A soft floating sea animal with long stinging tentacles. Starfish. Starfish. A star-shaped sea creature that slowly crawls on the ocean floor. Seahorse. Seahorse. A tiny fish shaped like a horse that swims upright. Lionfish. Lionfish. A beautiful fish with long, spiky fins and bright stripes. Clownfish. Clownfish. A small orange fish with white stripes that lives in sea anemones. Blue tang. Blue tang. A bright blue reef fish with a yellow tail. Yellow tang. Yellow tang. A bright yellow fish that swims around coral reefs. Powder brown tang. Powder brown tang. A brown reef fish with white and yellow markings. Angelfish. Angelfish. A colorful reef fish with wide flowing fins. Emperor angelfish. Emperor angelfish. A large angelfish with bright blue and yellow stripes. Tuna. Tuna. A fast ocean fish that swims long distances in big groups. Butterfly fish. Butterfly fish. A small, colorful reef fish with patterns like butterfly wings. Damselfish. Damselfish. A tiny, bright fish that protects its coral home. Triggerfish. Triggerfish. A strong fish with a special spiny fin that locks in place. Ocean sunfish. Ocean sunfish. One of the heaviest bony fish in the ocean with a flat body. Sea urchin. Sea urchin. A round sea creature covered in long, sharp spines. Sea cucumber. Sea cucumber. A soft animal shaped like a cucumber that lives on the seabed. Crab. Crab. A sea animal with a hard shell that walks sideways. Blue crab. Blue crab. A crab with bright blue claws and a strong shell. Ghost crab. Ghost crab. A pale beach crab that runs very quickly on sand. Hermit crab. Hermit crab. A small crab that hides inside empty snail shells. Horseshoe crab. Horseshoe crab. An ancient sea animal with a hard horseshoe-shaped shell. King crab. King crab. A giant crab with very long legs and strong claws. Dolphin. Dolphin. A friendly and intelligent sea mammal that loves to jump and play. Lobster. Lobster. A sea creature with a hard shell and 2 large claws. Clam. Clam. A shellfish that hides inside 2 hard shells in sand. Sea turtle. Sea turtle. A large ocean turtle with flippers for swimming. Snail. Snail. A slow-moving animal that carries a spiral shell on its back. Sea lion. Sea lion. A playful sea mammal that can swim fast and bark loudly. Seal. Seal. A smooth-skinned marine mammal that loves cold ocean waters. Walrus. Walrus. A huge sea animal with long tusks and thick whiskers. Stingray. Stingray. A flat fish that glides smoothly through the water like a kite. Manta ray. Manta ray. A giant ray with wide wings that looks like it is flying underwater. Whale. Whale. The largest animal on Earth that lives in the ocean. Pufferfish. Pufferfish. A fish that blows up like a balloon when it feels danger. Coral. Coral. Tiny animals that build colorful coral reefs in the ocean. Sea anemone. Sea anemone. A soft sea animal with tentacles that look like underwater flowers. Cuttlefish. Cuttlefish. A clever sea creature that can quickly change its color. Sea snake. Sea snake. A snake that lives in the ocean and swims very well. Archerfish. Archerfish. A fish that shoots water to knock insects off branches. Koi. Koi. A beautiful, colorful fish often kept in garden ponds. Barracuda. Barracuda. A long, fast fish with very sharp teeth. Squid. Squid. A fast sea animal with tentacles that squirts ink to escape. Manatee. Manatee. A gentle plant-eating sea mammal called a sea cow. Mudskipper. Mudskipper. A fish that can hop on mud and breathe outside water. Oyster. Oyster. A shellfish that can sometimes make shiny pearls. Mussel. Mussel. A small shellfish that sticks tightly to rocks. Shrimp. Shrimp. A tiny sea creature with long feelers and many legs. Prawn. Prawn. A shrimp-like sea animal that swims and crawls in water. Eel. Eel. A long, snake-like fish that swims by wiggling its body. Moray eel. Moray eel. A large eel that hides in coral reef holes. Nautilus. Nautilus. A sea creature with a beautiful spiral shell and many tentacles. Arowana. Arowana. A shiny fish that swims near the water's surface. Parrotfish. Parrotfish. A colorful reef fish with a beak like a parrot. Boxfish. Boxfish. A small fish with a box-shaped body and tiny fins. These are some amazing animals that live in the ocean. If you enjoyed learning about sea animals, don't forget to like and subscribe.